10 fruits name. First, APPLE, apple. Apple means सेब. Second, MANGO, mango. Mango means आम. Third, BANANA, banana. Banana means केला. Fourth, ORANGE, orange. Orange means संतरा. 5. GRAPES, grapes. Grapes means अंगूर. 6. GUAVA, guava. Guava means अमरूद. 7th, PAPAYA, papaya. Papaya means पपीता. 8th, PEAR, pear. Pear means नाशपाती. 9th, PINEAPPLE, pineapple. Pineapple means ananas. 10th, WATERMELON. Watermelon. Watermelon means तरबूज.